come on a nature walk with me. So, what types of things do we find on a nature walk? Well, I see some green grass on my nature walk. I found a rock on my nature walk. And I found a tree on my nature walk. So great!